Hello friends, welcome to my video lecture on Maxima programming to test the convergence of the standard sequence xn is equals to 1 plus 1 by n to power n. As we know, the convergence of the sequence, the limit of the sequence is equals to e, that is 2.71, because the limit of this sequence lies between 2 and 3, so its approximate value is 2.7 something. Okay, this has been proved by one of the theorem. Okay, standard theorem is there, and let us check whether it is convergent or divergent or oscillatory. As we know, when its limit value is tending to 2.71, that is absolutely convergent, right? When it is infinity, then only it is divergent. So just we have to check it out with the help of the Maxima programming. Let us see how to write the Maxima program to check the convergence of this standard sequence. As usual, the earlier program, just we have to write. I will just write the steps and just to follow that. Yeah, yes, write a slash star, write the program name to test the convergence of, so little bit font is big, I will make it small. Yes, convergence of the sequence xn equals to, I can make it xn. Okay, xn equals to 1 plus 1 by n whole to power n. Let us make here only whole to power n. Okay, this is a standard sequence, and to make it comments, write star and slash. Okay, this is the title of the program to test the convergence of the given sequence xn equals to 1. If possible, you can make one bracket here, so it will avoid the confusion. Yep, and I will make one more complete bracket. Okay, now it's okay. 1 plus 1 by n to power n. As usual, you can test it out. Okay, so it is the first program, so you need not to write kill all s, or you can start with the same, because if we are writing the series of programs, then only we have to write the kill all, so that earlier readings will be erased and fresh readings will be shown. So let us write kill all. Yes, okay, that is a dollar symbol. Make it dollar symbol. Now I have to write the sequence. I will assign xn as sequence. Okay, xn as sequence. What is that sequence? Just I will write like this, otherwise I will copy from here only. So that is 1 plus n 1 by n. Just I will write the same thing here. Yes, 1 plus 1 by n whole to power n. This is the sequence. Make it, yeah. Now I have to find the limit of this sequence. What is the limit? What is the command? I will take capital LT as limit and small limit as usual in the earlier program. We have to first test. So xn is our sequence. I will test whether what is the limit as n tends to infinity, that is INF. INF is written for the testing. Its value is nothing but infinity. Even you can take the infinity symbol also from the toolbox here. Okay, see it, infinity also. Okay, now yes, so I want to check what is its limit value, right? Let me print that print print. In inverted comma we have to write the limit of a given sequence is, yeah, just like this, and I will print what is that, capital LT I have taken. Yes, this is written with the end of the dollar symbol. Now I can execute this. How to execute? Shift enter. Let me check it out. So see here, the limit of given sequence is percentage e, that is nothing but epsilon, or that's nothing but exponential e. So its value is what? 2.71. Its value lies between 2 and 3. Its value is 2.71. Now let me check whether this is convergent or divergent by putting some condition. Okay, how we have to put the condition? Let me take if condition here. If absolute value of limit LD is equals to INF, right? If the absolute value of the calculated limit is INF, when infinity, if condition is taken, no, don't put the dollar symbol here. Then THEN, what we have to print? PRINT. If the limit value is equals to infinity, then what we have to print? We have to print the given sequence is divergent. Yes, right? If it is infinity, then the given sequence is divergent. Its nature is divergent. Now suppose it is not equal to infinity, else else print the given sequence is convergent. Yes, so this is fine. Here we have to put the dollar symbol, but not here we have to put the dollar symbol. When if condition is completed, then we have to print the dollar symbol, right? Now see here, convergence of, testing the convergent, we have to use if absolute value of limit is equals to infinity, then we have to print the given sequence is divergent. If it is not infinity, then print the given sequence is convergent. As we know, its limit value is e, or exponential, so its value lies between 2 to 3, that is 2.71, and some decimal values appear. So when it is unique and finite, absolutely the given sequence is convergent. Let us check by writing the shift enter. Yes, see here, the given sequence is convergent. The given sequence is convergent. Even we can check it for different also. Suppose I want to check the 1 plus 1 by n to power n, I can make it minus also. New sequence will appear here. Let me check second example. Suppose the sequence, just you have to change the sequence here only, so you can check. Shift enter. So its limit is percentage e to power minus 1, that is nothing but 1 divided by 2.71. It has some value, right? Let me check its convergence. Yes, it is also convergent. 1 by 2.71 is also a finite value, therefore it is convergent. So this is how we have to check the convergence of some standard sequences. Just here, by changing the sequences, you can check whether the given sequence is convergent or divergent. So this is the program to check the convergence of standard sequences. So there are 4-5 standard sequences are there. Just by changing this, you can check the convergence. So this is the simplest program. Hope you understand, and try for other standard sequences also. If you have any comment or any doubt, please write me in a comment box, and please subscribe this channel to get the next videos on the Maxima programming and other mathematical topics. Thank you very much for listening me. With